The workflow process is a set of steps through which information flows in sequence, and the workflow roles which derives the actors are assigned to a step to complete the work defined for that level. The states of each level are derived based on the information received from the previous step. The workflow process is completely configurable. To configure workflow levels, download the data template. As we can see here, the template contains 5 data columns. The current state column indicates the present status of the listed workflow action. The workflow action defines the task in the sequence that has to be performed by the user role. The next state column defines the subsequent action that has to be performed once the current action is completed. The role name identifies the user roles who are authorized to perform the specific action. SLA indicates the prescribed time frame within which the action should be performed. Update the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know details of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for the workflow process. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of the workflow process. Thank you.